Hey there, what's going on everyone? This is Sue, the Newbies Guru. Thank you for watching this video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to forward your GoDaddy domain to any link that you want. And this is going to be great for those of you who are in Freedom Fighters Network or any program for that matter. And you can just give to people a really cool domain name versus having to give them out your raw links, you know. So here I'll show you the example what I'm talking about. And before I do that, by the way guys, this is my fan page here. So if you can go to my fan page and click the like button, you know, give me some likes, that'll be awesome right there. It's gonna be at facebook.com/the newbies guru. Alrighty guys, cool. This is what I'm talking about. So you know, this is my raw Freedom Fighters link. And you know, if you give this out to people, they're gonna go directly to that capture page with Jordan and Angela on the beach, which is really cool. They can just go there. But sometimes, you know, some people think that this is too long or too complicated and people don't want to click on it. So you might want to, you know, go out there and purchase a unique domain from GoDaddy or from any other domain registration company. I prefer to go with GoDaddy because, you know, it's just simple and easy, and it's, you know, I already have a lot of stuff with them. But anyways, what I'm talking about is, let's say I have a domain name. I'll purchase it with GoDaddy, and then I'll have GoDaddy point that the visitors and redirect them to this link. So they don't have to remember this. All they have to do is remember the GoDaddy domain that I give them. Okay, so and I'm actually doing this right now. So I'm gonna walk you through the process because I made a purchase already of a domain, and I have not yet forwarded it to this one yet. So I'm gonna do that right now with you guys. Okay, all right, so let's get into this. All right, so this one here, hey, where's my GoDaddy? Okay, here's the GoDaddy, right? So the first thing you need to do is you need to purchase a domain name, and all you got to do is just go to GoDaddy.com. Just go to GoDaddy.com and enter a domain name, whatever domain that you want, right? And you're gonna see whether it's available or not. So if you click on it and it is available, then you can go ahead and add it to your cart. But as you can see here, this domain has been taken already. So you might need to customize it a little bit more and do whatever to get, you know, pick a really catchy one or whatnot, right? Once you have a domain registered with GoDaddy, you will need to set up an account with them if you're going to make a purchase. That way you can keep track of your domains. But you know, I'm already with GoDaddy, so let me go into my account. I've already logged in here. Okay, so once you're in the back office of GoDaddy, you have your domain purchased and you're logged into your GoDaddy account. Where you're going to go is you're going to go to launch under domains. You're going to launch it so you can see all of the domains that you've purchased. And you know, I've been with GoDaddy for a while, so I've got a few domains that I've already purchased. But I'm going to go to the one that I'm working with. And your list might be longer or might be shorter, but just go to the one that you want to forward. So this is the one that I'm going to use for Freedom Fighters Network. And I have another one as well. I have the 150guarantee.com. That's already that's a different strategy that I'm doing, so that one will be on a different video maybe. But right now I'm gonna show you a simple way. Okay, we're just gonna keep it very simple. So go to the domain that you just purchased with GoDaddy, and you're gonna go into domains and click on it. Just click on it like that, and it's gonna take you to the domain details. Once you get here, there's a lot of things you can do, but we're not even gonna get into all of that. What we're gonna get into is the forwarding part. Okay, as you can see here, the domain is not being forwarded. And later on, you can actually do subdomains as well. So I'll probably touch on it briefly here. But what we're going to want is domain. So the actual domain itself is this here, dothemoneydance.net. That's the domain itself, okay? And that's what you want people, that's the one you want to forward, okay? So all you're going to do is you're going to click on Manage. And here under Domains, you have the option to add new forwards. So what you're gonna do is click on Add one now, and then you're gonna get your links. So here's the link that I am forwarding to. So make sure you have it handy. Copy it. And notice also right here that this is HTTPS, right? So you're gonna want to make sure you select the right one in the drop-down menu, okay? So that it matches up. Because some websites are secure, that's what the S is for. Some websites are not, they're just general open. So the one we have with Freedom Fighters is an S. So don't have to worry about exactly what it means and all, but just make sure that it matches up, okay? So here we're gonna copy it and paste it. Of course, this HTTP is already here, so we're going to remove this part. So remove anything, you know, before the actual domain itself. So we're just going to do this, the freedomfightersnetwork.com/ and then all of your user ID and everything. So make sure your affiliate ID is right there also, because you don't want to send people to nowhere and you losing the sale. And it wasn't HTTPS, so you just do that. Now, for some reason, with the Freedom Fighters Network, and I believe maybe it has to do with the S, is you won't be able to forward and mask. So forward, there's two options for forwarding, okay? There's a forward where all it does is just redirects people and then it goes to this domain. The other one is forward and masking. That means when people are, when they type in your domain name, in my case, dothemoneydance.net, instead of showing this at the window, it'll still stay in the address bar on the top. It'll still say dothemoneydance.net. So, but for Freedom Fighters, just go with forward only. So as long as you have forward only, it's going to do it correctly. Okay, so and then you're going to add, and then once you're done with that, you just hit save. And now it says it takes a few moments. Okay, so it's not going to go live right away. What you're going to do is wait about 15-20 minutes or so until it's actually updated, okay? But I have an example already to show you. Alrighty, so here's the example of what I have here. The one that I have was 150 guarantee, right? I already forwarded it. So if I hit enter, as you can see here, this is my domain name for Freedom Fighters. Also, if I hit enter, which I did right there, it's gonna forward it to my actual link. You see that? So from that point, it shows this domain name. Alrighty. Now we talked about earlier about forwarding with masking, right? What that means is when you have a link, and I'll show you here. Let me show you on a different tab here. So this is for another business of mine. You know, this just as an example, okay? So you guys can see what I'm talking about when it's forwarded and masked at the same time. So here's what I'm talking about. When I type in this domain name, it goes to my special affiliate link. Just like I have here with Freedom Fighters, I have a special link with this other business, but I don't want people to see it for that one. I just want it to stay thispayeveryday.biz, right? So when I do that, when I type it in and I press enter, it actually goes to the actual landing page of this other program that I'm a part of, right? And it keeps this domain that I wanted to show only, right? So it's actually masked. Underneath this, you don't see it, but underneath it, there's an affiliate link for this particular business that I'm a part of, okay? But it's hidden because it's masked over. That's the great thing about forwarding and masking, is that you get to keep your brand up on the top, right? It only works for certain links, all right? So it doesn't work for every link. In my case here with the Freedom Fighters, I've tried it and it doesn't pull up the site. So if it's HTTPS, this is what I'm believing. You'll have to do some more research on that, but just take my word for it for now. If it's HTTPS, just do a forward and don't have to do masking, okay? And as you can see, it just pops up, you know, the page, but it keeps my domain name on the top here because this actual page is not HTTPS. And that's pretty much it. That's how simple it is to forward a domain. So you can go out there and create a cool domain, just purchase it from GoDaddy, like, hey, I make money every day.com, and then have it sent to your Freedom Fighters network. People go in there, do the the regular process of putting their email and get signups and all of that great stuff. Okay, so that's how you do it to to forward your domain to any link that you want. Okay. All right, guys. I hope that was helpful. If you have any questions, if there's any comment section below, go ahead and leave me a comment down below. If you're seeing this on YouTube, hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, get some more useful tips and tricks and stuff like that, some tutorials and stuff. If you see this in the group, leave me some comments. And again, go to my page here and give me a like. Alrighty, guys. I hope you have a wonderful day. Okay, peace out.